Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories available in the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Gig Gear 2 hand-touch tablet chest harness for iPad and Samsung tablets. This innovative product is the top office laptop harness you need for hands-free convenience and productivity. The Gig Gear 2 hand-touch tablet chest harness is designed to keep your tablet or iPad handy for use without distraction. It features an ergonomic design with adjustable straps for a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to work with both hands while your device stays in place. The harness relieves fatigue in the arms and reduces repetitive motions and hand cramping. This tablet chest harness comes with specialized gear pockets including 2 front compartments and 2 expandable pouch sleeves, providing storage for other devices like radios, phones, and handheld tools. The premium material used to make the harness ensures durability and protection from shocks, making it ideal for travel or physical activities. It fits most tablets, including the 12.9 iPad, and securely holds smaller and larger tablets in place. The Gig Gear tablet chest harness offers hands-free convenience, premium material, and specialized gear pockets for enhanced productivity. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for all-day wear. The tablet holder allows for hassle-free viewing and easy access to your device whenever you need it. In conclusion, the Gig Gear 2 hand-touch tablet chest harness is the best top-office laptop harness you can find in the market. With its hands-free convenience, ergonomic design, and durable material, it's the perfect solution for professionals looking to increase productivity while on the go. Don't miss out on this innovative accessory that will revolutionize the way you work with your tablet. Get your Gig Gear tablet chest harness today.